So, Jamaica, viewers and subscribers, bless upon yourself. Well forward back to our wonderful program. Right now, internet no good again in the people. Queenie just crash the internet. Could even get Wi-Fi. Kinda leak out and a wagwan. And me I say now people. You know what I say? Me always I say to myself, say you your thing too conscious, dog. That's why you can't go viral, brother. Your thing too conscious, you. I said, Jet, me can't think low. Me can't. I guess, you hear me, virgin. You hear me? You need to hear what go on here, man, and just drop it in the comment section, Rasta, cause, hey, a man get some simple Bible and some Cersei, we need to purge out around here, brother.
So then I want me suck out cartel back to wall. Me go suck out the wall of the tank. I want to blood clot cartel. Yo!
Wow. So hold on. Queenie never just said that a while ago. Nah, man, G. Queenie, how you do? What you guys are people them have to say about that one? Clot, the program start crash. Pass a cup of Cersei there for me, brother. Judgment. People me don't know even what to say to at this point. Great news. We don't know say some great news when after day like the boss just make the world know say yeah hear me fiance pregnant right now, but guess what I go on? I bad man people them a carry the belly. Ha 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 ha. The Gaza news continues. Now people, fuckery, make we talk about it now. Then hold on, then Queen in a married woman. How the bomber? But I want to go and run yes, brother. Yo, when the breadfruit tree are going around your charge, yo. No idea, yeah. The world see Queen a ball and a fight over do it. Jesus have mercy. Is a man wife this in a virgin? Yo, we can't make up this, me G. Is a man wife this? A threaten a man for violently. Yo, we can't even repeat them thing that we have to make it person them say where them say. People, oh no no. Judgment. Why me not bother married Rasta? Bamba clock that hot. Brother, can you imagine you hear your wife I tell her I tell the world with them what she want to do to her next man? Not just no regular things. Them things are not normal. Me I talk about wake up cheap lick. Brother. Nah man. That black box they want rewire. That chip they lick. No, this is what me want to know. Nobody never send the virgin the message. I mean the virgin have smartphone. So the virgin must see this. Judgment. No. I saw marriage people. People who married behave, brother. So you can have your husband. He is a female and you're married and you have your husband. And you just see somebody where you did have a crush on forward and you just say, fuck it, you can't control yourself no more, Rasta. Dash out. And ball. You see your wife a ball, eye water, tears, long tears, crocodile tears. Judgment. This one is very interesting. So, Queenie on a mission, which is sounding like Mission Impossible. People, what on the thoughts are on this? The Gaza Nation worldwide. What will the Gaza Nation have to say about Queenie? And or freaky rant, this is something else. Now drop it in the comment section. Wanna believe say Vybz Kartel I got this him wife and mix up himself in a bangarang with Queenie? Drop it in the comment section. So basically what me get from this, people, is Queenie I seek some attention. You know what I mean? It's just the way Queenie go about seeking attention is very strange in her own way. But for a lot of people, it's just too scandalous, it's just too raw, it's just too much. But you have to remember to Queenie. Kids also listen these contents. You understand? And you can't just get up and say certain things just cause you want to say something to go viral and you look attention. Cause she a get emotional and cry and I say, Cartel must acknowledge her and them something. So me I say, yo, you gotta go this distant for your man acknowledgement. And you're not gonna get the acknowledgement you want when you go them way. You understand? So it's a strange thing. And then the people in the chat now say she have mental issues. That even makes she go off even more. So cause them behavior then are normal. You know what I mean? So you have to look on all of them behavior there and know say yo, the pattern of behavior there is just very vulgar, you know. We not look for see no big woman and behave like that, but everybody have them own life. Live them life them one way. You know what I mean? But listeners, subscribers, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe and like. Drop on your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this? Like, honestly, she had disrespect herself. That's what I see right now. You understand? Yo, it's a funny thing. You hear the man them I say, boy vibes move from yard. If a them fucker yard go on a yard, who wouldn't want to move? Think about it. You understand? Yeah, man. And it's a good look too. When you can lift up, man. No problem with that, man. You have to go which party better for you. They said there. Yeah. So viewers and subscribers, in a them time, where people just do anything to make people press play and say, wow. Cause basically that, you say, wow, me can't believe this. That person that really just said that, at that time they are going to know. The people not have shame no more. You know what I mean? Shame, like what them say the shame tree look like them they chop it down and burn it down. And all the whole breed dead. So no shame no that road again. You just a live in a wild world. You just have to control yourself and know say yo, you're in the effort. Right man. Slackness. Just stop, brother. Real talk. Yeah. Another thing. I could give Foota him credit. You know what I mean? Remember this. Foota don't explain himself, say. Him the man. We know say him make the music reach a certain place and him break it down to you. You understand? So we are give Foota him credit. Big up yourself, Foota. Big up Vibes. Big up the Gaza Nation. Listeners, subscribers. Who new subscribe. Big up on yourself. You understand? Yeah man, make positiveness rolling out, you see me? Yeah, we have to have some positive roll. So right now, we just move on some great energy, great frequency, you see it? And that's the thing, man. Alright now, people, now make the whole heap of excitement get to the head, cause I know say I know everybody I think conscious, you see it, so hold the faith same way. Try the road the right way, you see it? Yeah man, I hit that man, love, respect.